This video will show you how to update the firmware on C400 Pro through the SJCAM X app. Before you start, please make sure the above requirements are met. First, open the SJCAM X app and connect C400 Pro to the app. Once connected, enter the app page and tap the settings entry in the bottom right corner. On the settings page, find and tap Firmware Update. The app will automatically check the current firmware version and detect whether a newer version is available. If the firmware is already up to date, the page will show that no update is needed. You can return and continue using the camera. If a new version is detected, follow the on-screen instructions and tap Download Latest Firmware. During the download, keep your phone connected to a stable network and wait for the firmware file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, tap Update Firmware. The app will start transferring the update file to the camera. During the transfer, keep your phone close to C400 Pro. Do not operate the camera or close the app. After the update file has been transferred, C400 Pro will start updating automatically. Do not turn off the camera or disconnect it during the update. When the firmware update is complete, the camera will restart automatically. Please wait patiently. After the camera restarts, the firmware update is complete. You can start using the camera to shoot. If the update fails, check the battery level and network status first. Then restart the camera and the app, and try updating again.